Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing microwave dinner again, and we are going to beat the rat's cave. Now I think I might know what to do now. Let's go. Do 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 do. Ow. Let's go, guys. So hopefully we don't have to do everything. Okay, we gotta do everything again, guys. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna ignore the crates. I just want to get out of this level. This has taken way too long. So how's y'all day been going? Nope. Pick up. Craft the choice. So when I'm ready, I can get them both easily. There we go. Do do do. And after this, I'm gonna grab that. Oh yeah, boom. This has been a good game so far. Do y'all agree? I'm not needing to use that. I don't know what was the purpose of those. I don't know, maybe it's like Store cheese. I'll probably store cheese there. Squeak. I'll call them squeakers. Do 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 do. We dive. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. See, this is good. Now I need to drop that. Yeah, I was right. I think so. Will this lower it down? Yes, it will. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. And I can still hover over there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Finally. Guys, guess what? Oh, wait. We did it! Finally! Now we just gotta get this cheese. Mwahaha! Now, what do I do? Oh. I got a microwave dinner! Finally! And this is my second one. Oh, wrong way. Whoa. Blue Fort Port. Finally, guys, am I right? Dang it. Because some random aw kid is gonna be one and then be like, you're not allowed to cuss, so I can't cuss. Oh wow, there's a hotel. I didn't know there was a hotel. Do 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 do. Oh guys, I think I might know why sometimes there's a swishing sound. 1 second, guys. Oh guys, I'm so sorry. I'm back. Okay, it's time to upgrade. Boing. Oh. Yep. Starting upgrade. Please watch for any rocks. Fridgebot's power core has been upgraded. Scanning for new worlds. A new world has been found, confirming fuel. You have enough fuel. You can now travel to worlds using the holographic console. Has unlocked one new world. You can even wear hats by using the outfit cloth. Upgrade complete. Okay, hey guys, I'm probably not going to go to the world today. Oh. Sorry. Wait a minute. What? There we go. I thought it would upgrade my guy. Doing. Wait, how much does this cost? Dang it. I'm broke because I spend some stuff for you guys. My friend is gonna call me soon. My friend is calling me soon. Guess what, guys? Because I'm gonna be playing Doors. I don't know if that'll come out before or after this, but I know it's coming out. Time to go to the lighthouse. Where is the lighthouse? Oh, yeah, where even? Yeah, wait, where is the? Ow, I suck at driving this. Wait, you can do that? Oh, poor lighthouse. How's that? Oh, hi. I was just looking at the lighthouse. I haven't been inside. They stock good charges halfway through, revenuing the inside. I can't even get to the top because the staircase isn't complete. Maybe you can get to the top. I've seen you jumping around. You're like a ninja. Okay, buddy. Let's do this. Let's kick some butt. Inside of the lighthouse. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm leaving.